Hey folks, Tim Orlando here with another great fresh trade. Today I have a Cosmic Blue 2017 certified pre-owned one owner Honda Civic EX, which means it's going to have some nice features for you. Projector halogen beams, daytime running lights, all front wheel drive, all wheel disc brakes, Honda exclusive lane watch, keyless access, and a backup camera and a moonroof. Very nice car. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, so diving in for a closer look, very large trunk space on this, lots of storage areas. You can do a 60-40 split with the rear seats, add that much more room. You've got a capless fuel filler designs, and then you have a big old full-size spare in the back. Now you have seat pack pockets. Every Honda customer or passenger gets 2 cup holders, so you'll have all that comfort in the back for your passengers. You have a dual climate control. You have an AM, FM, SiriusXM. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, electric parking brake with a brake hold feature, ton of on-wheel controls, automatic headlights, and again, like I said, Honda exclusive lane watch. All right, as you can see, this 2017 certified pre-owned Honda Civic EX has got a ton of nice features. It's extremely clean. It's almost like a new vehicle, and it's going to come with a ton of warranty to give you peace of mind driving for years to come. So you need to come on down and see me, Tim Orlando, at Delaney Honda, across from Walmart in Indiana on Oakland Avenue, right off of 422. Or just pick up the phone and give me a call, 724-717-1500. I really look forward to working with you folks, and have a happy new year.